Greetings and a warm welcome back to Anonymous Business Advice, the channel that never fails to deliver. We are thrilled to have all our regular viewers and would like to extend a special welcome to all the new ones. So, grab yourself a cup of coffee. How Beatrice turned 30,000 Kenyan shillings into a thriving poultry and dairy farming business. What inspired Beatrice to venture into poultry and dairy farming? Beatrice got interested in agriculture while working as a sales manager for a seed company in Uasin Gishu, despite having no background in the field. She then invested in poultry and dairy farming and turned it into a success story. How did she start her farm with only 30,000 Kenyan shillings capital? The businesswoman had a quarter of an acre in the Nakuru area. She was part of a merry-go-round group and received 30,000 Kenya shillings when it was her turn. She used the money to set up a structure and bought 100 chicks, which eventually grew to 3,000. She later reinvested the money she got from selling poultry to buying other farm animals. What animals does she have on her farm? She has 3,000 chicks, 30 rabbits, 2 goats, and 3 cows, 2 Friesians and 1 Ayrshire. She chose local breeds over hybrids since she had no experience with them. How does she manage to make 650,000 Kenyan shillings monthly from her farming business? She sells the chicken eggs to traders around the area at a wholesale price, which gives her 70 to 80 trays. A tray of eggs costs roughly around 450 Kenyan shillings. Additionally, she sells rabbits depending on their size, with the least going for 500 Kenyan shillings. She also sells milk from the cows, 2 Friesians and 1 Ayrshire, which produce about 50 liters of milk daily. 1 liter of milk costs roughly 80 Kenyan shillings. She also transforms cow dung into biogas fuel for cooking and lighting, which reduces expenses. What challenges has she faced in her farming business? One of the challenges she has encountered is low-quality feeds, which resulted in weak eggshells and white yolks, causing significant losses. Want to learn more about dairy, rabbit or poultry farming? Let me know in the comment sections and I will give you all the details ranging from how to start it, what you need and how to scale your business. Remember, don't just dream it, do it. See you soon, goodbye and good luck.